Hey, my amazing Dbimmer Reliefnett family. It's not your imagination. Today might feel intense. Life has a way of pressing down on us sometimes. But intensity isn't a sign to stop, it's a signal. A signal to pause, to breathe, and to nurture yourself more deeply. Breathe. Pause. Reflect. Even in the middle of the storm, growth is happening, sometimes quietly, sometimes underground, where we can't see it yet. Just like seeds beneath the soil, your spirit is strengthening in ways you may not notice. So be kind to yourself. Keep watering your spirit with rest, kindness and purpose. Don't mistake the pressure of today as failure, it's simply a reminder to care for your journey. Every step forward, no matter how small, matters. Just keep moving. You're closer to the breakthrough than you realize. May you be blessed with all the success your heart desires. And may your days be filled with health, wealth, and happiness. At Dbimmer Reliefnett, we believe in nurturing not just your goals, but your whole self. If you're tired of being tied to a 9-to-5, working hard to turn someone else's dream into reality, maybe it's time to choose a different path. A path where you can build health, wealth and happiness for yourself and your family. Visit dbimmerreliefnett.com to explore how you can create the life you truly deserve. Because, success isn't just about money, it's about freedom, balance and living with purpose. Thank you for being part of the Dbimmer Reliefnett community. I deeply appreciate hearing from you, so please reach out anytime. Remember, breathe, pause, reflect, and keep moving forward. Your growth is happening, even if it's underground. This is Windley, from Dbimmer Reliefnett, reminding you that your best days are still ahead.